Alright guys, welcome to the first actual lift here in this training course, the front posterior tilt. And again, we're going to be focusing on thoracic extension, which is the extension that we get with our pectorals and our upper back and our ability to connect our shoulder blades, which essentially when we do that, it influences our posture. So, like I explained before, if you are a player who is lacking the core strength or you're struggling with correct posture, this is a great exercise for you guys. If you have poor posture, you're never going to be an effective hitter. Once you get there, it's just another advantage, okay, guys? So if you're new to deadlifting or you're wanting to refine your mechanics, this is a great place to start. This is why I have this as the first training that we have here in this course. So I strongly suggest that you start here, even if you are very familiar with the deadlift. So what does the front posterior tilt do? It's going to expose a player who has weak shoulders, which are essentially the same parts of the shoulder that you use when you're throwing a baseball, and it's going to help your ability to extend your ability to demonstrate thoracic extension. So this is what they should do. This is the correct mechanics. Palms up, forward, and pushed out chest, right? We're going to bend the knees anywhere just above a 45-degree angle until our base of support is corrected. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to sink down just a little bit, focus on that thoracic extension. We'll know that we're doing that when our pecs and our chest is extended out, and then we're going to tilt at a 20-degree angle. So just doing this will activate so many muscles that are laying dormant during your deadlift and sport-specific movements in baseball. And like I said, this is a great exercise for younger athletes who are brand new to deadlifts. Key points that I want you guys to understand is that as we deadlift, it's going to be essentially the same exact form. We're going to use weight that's much less. However, it's going to be less weight than usual. Here I have anywhere between 90 to 95 pounds. I have two 25s on each side with a 45-pound bar. What we want to focus on is trying to connect our shoulder blades together with each lift. We want to focus on the 20-degree tilt with as much thoracic extension by extending our chest out into space as much as possible. 5 by 5s, which is the 5 sets, 5 reps. We're going to take our time between each set. You should feel the strain in the back shoulders. You should feel it in your lower back, but it should be a good strain, okay? And you'll know that you're doing it right because you'll feel that this is the same exact muscles that you use in your posture that you use while trying to hit a 90-plus mile-an-hour fastball. So once you feel comfortable with this, once you feel comfortable with the thoracic extension, I want you to move on to the next exercise, which is the conventional deadlift. So again, key notes for the mechanics: palms up forward, chest pushed out, knees bent until over the base of support, sink down, focus on thoracic extension, then you have the 20-degree tilt, 5 by 5s. See you in the next lesson.